everyone. It's Christmas Eve. I hope you are well. I'm here with a very short tutorial, haha, no pun intended, because I have a very short end to weave in. So if you know this trick already, awesome. I learned it probably from another knitting vlogger. So I'm gonna show you how I would do this, and you can do this with tails even shorter than this. So what I'm gonna do is not thread my tapestry needle at all. I'm just gonna weave it without the yarn in the eye. Just kind of, as I usually would, through a couple of stitches. I usually do 5. All right, let's do one more purl bump here. Okay, see? No yarn in the eye of the needle until now. So we're all woven in. And now we'll put the yarn through the eye. This is the last tail on these socks before I steam them and wrap them up. So I just pulled it through. Clip, clip. There you have it. Short tails woven in.
Merry Christmas Eve to everyone in Fibretown. I am sending you excellent wishes for a peaceful and relaxing holiday season. Take care.